I've waited a long time to draw this character, and here goes nothing. In this video, we're gonna draw Zygarde complete form. That's right, folks. The one moment you've been waiting for, the legendary Pokemon himself, Zygarde, is back and is ready to make a comeback. So sit back and relax as I draw him on my Master Design channel. Okay, when drawing Zygarde, you must draw this thing on top of his head. There we go. There's his head. Anyways, here are some fun facts about Zygarde. This is Zygarde's actual form, the complete form, actually. And, well, the last time we saw it was in the final fight against Team Flare and his devastating plan for Kalos region domination. And they finally managed to beat the giant rock when they formed Zygarde's complete mode and used that power to beat Lysander. In Pokemon X and Y, that was the only time we saw it. But Zygarde has, let's just say, Zygarde is one of my favorites and one of the most powerful Pokemon I've ever seen. I'm glad I finally got to see him, and I have his card. Zygarde already has, like, a lot of them, actually. I've collected, like, 3 of them. Well, 4, at least. Anyways, I also managed to catch Zygarde in Pokemon X and Pokemon Ultra Sun. Okay, enough of this capture stuff. I don't want to talk about it in front of him. Let's continue on about Zygarde's true power. Anyways, Zygarde, his special attacks are Core Enforcer, Lens Wrath. Core Enforcer is actually his most signature move. He has the power to form the shape of a Z. And his other moves are 1,000 Waves and 1,000 Arrows. Now let's draw his arm here. Alexa, shuffle songs by Pokemon.
Shuffling songs by Pokemon on Amazon Music.
Okay. So anyways, Bonnie made a promise that to Squishy, aka Zygarde Core, that he would have the chance to be reunited with her again. And that's a promise they'll never forget. I know. I know Bonnie dreams of being a Pokemon trainer, and that dream is gonna come true for her. That goal. You just draw his legs next.
To help me try to catch him all. It's all about the evolution of the Pokemon. The training and tuning and the about of the phenomenon. Be a Pokemonster icon. Team Rocket will be long gone. But first you gotta know about the different types. Grass, fire, ground, flame, electric, water, rock, flying ice. No more bug, ghost fighting and dragon. Don't forget about psychic. To be a master, Pokemon master. I will be writing a new chapter.
There we go. Now we just draw the hand. Why, yes, I am. I'm already drawing one of the elites already. There we go. Now we just draw the line down here. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
When Zygarde unleashes its secret power, it gathers the energy of all the cells that are in the area, well, every cell on the whole planet, and fuses to become one super Pokemon. Zygarde complete form. Okay, now we just have to draw the tail here. Black. There we go. That's one side done. Now for the other side. There we go. I get the point, man. And there we go. Now we just draw the square hexagon here. Shrimp.
We stand the test and do the best. Got to strive, keep up the drive, be a master. It takes so much kind of skill, and I will stop until 150 Pokemon. Mine, I must define the art of capture. To be a master, Pokemon master, I will be writing a brand new chapter. Pokemon go, go, power to the team.
And there we go. There he is, folks. Awesome. We actually drew him. He looks so cool. Anyways, that's how you draw him. Told ya, when you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything. When you believe in yourself, you can accomplish anything. This is the best day of my life. Okay. Man, I'm exhausted. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. Stegosaurus, see you later.